Good morning, everyone. It's Burgess from Tranquility in Art, and it's a very good morning to you from Dubai. What I'm painting today is another Hake Brush painting, and this was inspired by Joe Menza. And what I'm just doing here is wetting down the paper. I'm not saturating it. I'm not saturating it completely, just enough to get it wet so that the paint sort of stays fluid enough for me to sort of do things with it. Now what I'm going to do now is add a layer of yellow ochre all over this, including the bottom, although the bottom will be a bit more watery, but I want it to be there so it's reflected in the water. Just put that there like that. I think a bit more. I want it quite sort of intense. Like that. And now what I want to do is add some cloud work. Now what I would want to do is make a grey myself using ultramarine blue and burnt sienna. Then I want to take a damp brush, this one, and I want to lift out some maybe a tissue would help as well. And what I want to do is put some of the extras back here like this. And now I will need to sort of let it dry a little bit. You can always sort of take some light back if you think you've done too much. Now what I want to do is take a little bit of purple. Now I don't usually use purple, but I want to use it for some mountains. Now I want to put a mountain in the distance. I'm washing the brush out a bit. I don't normally do that, but I really want to wash it out a little bit, dampen it a little bit. Take a little bit of the purple, mix it up with a bit of burnt sienna, a little bit of burnt sienna. Now I just want to put a little bit of a cloud right there. A mountain top right here like that. I mean, we could go all the way here, but what I want to do is add a bit more mountain later. Right. Now what I want to do is take more of the purple, more intense purple, make that mountain a little bit higher. Sorry, I wasn't speaking. Make that a bit higher there. And what I want to do is take a little bit of that, lighten that a little bit, and I'll show you why at some point in a minute. And what I want to do is lighten this too. Just lift some of it off there. Some of the shadows off here. Okay, now what I want to do is add some land masses. So what I've got here is a mixture of ultramarine blue and burnt sienna, and I'm just gonna put it in. Now what I want to do is with this brush, see if you can always lift things out just to get the highlights back. Well, not the highlights, the white spaces, as Joe says, and he's right, you can get them back. What I'm using here is my flat brush, because I wanted that thing in that area in the distance to be sort of like water again. There, okay. And so now what I want to do is make that a little bit darker. I like the way some of the sky is reflecting in the water here, and this is what I was sort of trying to achieve by putting these sky colors in the water as well. And this is what I wanted to do. So I'm going to remove these bulldog clips, because sometimes they get in the way, but they're there for a reason. Okay, let's take these out. And there, that's better. I want to be able to paint all the way around towards the edge here. The idea is just to sort of keep adding colors, and you can still sort of keep the thing wet just by adding colors here, there, here and there, here and there. And now I've got this weird brush that I found in a shop, and one of the things I like about it is that it can do some really weird stuff. So what I want to do is take some deep green, take some fresh deep green, mix it with some burnt sienna, and what I want to do is I'm going to try and paint a little one of the weird things. I hope this works, because I'm not sure about this brush now. Okay, so what I want to do is try and put a semblance of a tree in the background here. Now I'm happy with that tree. It looks interesting. A bit more in there. Okay, I'm going to leave that tree as it is, or maybe a bit more at the bottom here. Like that. And wash the brush out. And burnt sienna and some black is a great combination, actually. And with this, I'm going to put a large sort of bush in the front here, like that. Now I'm just winging it. I had a sketch, but now I'm not following the sketch. I'm not following the sketch now. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, with a plastic card, let's just zoom in for a bit for you so you can see what I'm doing there. Okay, put that here, like that. Then we can zoom out again when we've finished. to that area a little bit wet again. Keep it wet. Okay. And I want to put another tree on this side as well, the same color. Oops, wrong brush. Going with the wrong brush here. Same color, and I want to put it on this side here, right there. Like that. Down, and again with a and now a bit of shadow work under there, and over. And now a couple of birds, or maybe 2 or 3. Oh, wrong pen, using black here. Okay, let's use this one. We can put 1 maybe along here, 1 there, maybe there. That's it, or should I put another one in? Maybe another one. Okay, let's just put 1 more in. There. There we have our Hake Brush landscape inspired by Joe Menza, who's my favorite artist. So I hope you enjoyed that. Do consider subscribing if you did, and give this video a thumbs up. And I hope to see you in my next video. Do watch the playlist, because I've put a playlist there of all my Hake Brush paintings, and you'll find some links to other paintings that might come up here somewhere, or maybe up there, I'm not sure where. So anyway, thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you again next time. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and press the bell notification so you don't miss out any of my videos. Thank you very much for watching.